Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Far Away. In this video I'm going to be installing some rear window louvers to my car. There's two reasons to do it. Let me tell you why. Alright, there are two good reasons for you to install some rear window louvers. One of them is for heat protection. I do have rear window tint on my car, but as you can see the window is kind of slanted towards the front and the passengers sit like around right here. So all the heat is transferred into the cab and it's extremely uncomfortable for the passengers on back. So the rear window louvers are going to protect them from the heat that's hitting that window. That's one of the reasons. Two, the styling. It gives this car a real nice styling look. So those are the two reasons that I'm going to be installing these louvers. Alright, I got these rear window louvers from Vicrez. I want to thank Vicrez. Thank you very much. Let's just open it up and see what's inside. Before I open up the package, Vicrez has a lot, and I mean a lot of good things for your vehicle. Any model, any year. So just go to that website. The website, this is a website right there. Actually, this is a website, but I do have it down here. And go to their website, search your car, and get yourself some goodies for your vehicle. It'll make your car look nice, and it'll stand out from the rest. There you go, guys. And it does come with everything that you need in order for you to install it. Let's just prepare it so that we can install that window louver in the charger. Alright, what I do, I separate everything. This, I'm not worried about this right now, but I'm gonna have to put this two-sided tape on each and every little plaque right there. Why? This is what's gonna be holding the louver to the windshield. Alright, after finishing up, let me go to the rear window, start cleaning it. Alright, after your window is completely clean, I'm gonna get a clean microfiber towel, get myself some rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna clean the window with rubbing alcohol next. Alright, now that the window is clean, I brought the louver. I'm just gonna place it on top, just more or less as to where it's gonna be at. Now, if you don't have somebody to help you, don't worry. You can do it yourself, and I'm gonna show you how. Usually you need two persons in order to install this, but there's nobody here right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to do it yourself. Alright, another thing I forgot is you need to put these little sponges. It's for vibration and for you to have a real nice cleaner job. This is gonna go on top of where you put the double-sided tape. Okay, it does have a cutout for that for the pin that's there. So let me just start installing all these. Let me mention one thing. Now, nobody else has a better product than Vicrez. Reason being is that I've seen other louvers that they sell and they don't have anything of this, anything that's gonna protect your window from the actual louver. Okay, this one has a lot of sponge. It has a lot of protection. It also comes with these little blocks that if you need to install in order for the vibration of the louver not to go through the window, hey, this is a lot better than other products that I've seen. All right, here it goes. Super simple. When you're alone, you can still do this. Now I got myself one of the little planks, and I placed 4 of them, one on each corner on that side, and I'm gonna start on the bottom. Okay, I need this to get aligned so that the trunk won't hit this louver. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the bottom. I'm gonna start from the corner and start peeling off the tape so that it can stick to the window. All right, I removed the backing of that two-sided tape. Now I'm gonna align it so that I can glue this one to the window, this corner only. All right, there it is. There's one. Now I did loosen it a little bit so that I can have some wiggle room so that I can paste that one over there. Right, I'm gonna do the same process on this side. Take that backing off that tape and align it and just glue it to the window. All right, there it is. Good to go. Now, before I start gluing this one, I'm gonna open the trunk. Let's see if it hits. Nothing. There you go. Perfect. I did the same thing to the 2 on top, and all 4 corners are where they need to be. Perfect. Let's install it back on, see if everything's aligned, and we can just finish it up. And there it is. Everything aligned. Perfect. Here you go, guys. So it is possible to do it yourself. It's a little bit more work, but it is possible. And I think it's a lot cleaner because you're doing it one at a time. So now let's just finish it up, put the rest of them, and let's see how it looks. There we go, guys. Looks real nice. Let me move the car outside so you can see it. There it is, guys. Looks real nice out in the open, and it's gonna protect the people inside from the sun. Perfect. I'm gonna show you how it looks through the inside so you can see. All right, there it is. You can still see through the back, through your rear view mirror, so it won't be any obstruction. Okay, I do have a rear view mirror camera, so that's no issue for me. But if you're thinking that you're not gonna be able to see through the back, you are. Right, guys, and this will be it. This will be it for this video. Remember, subscribe to the channel if you want more content. If you want more content for me to review more items from Vicrez, leave it in the comments below. All right, I want to thank Vicrez for the opportunity to review this rear window louver. Thank you very much, and let's just continue with for next week. And this will be it, guys. Remember, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you next coming weekend. Thank you, and like always, God bless.